Alright, this is the puppies in the Vangbox.
Alright guys,
We got Dennis over here.
So Jackie allowed me to do 2 shotgun and 10 push-ups. It's not back to back.
It's not back to back?
It's not back to back. But I would try to do it back to back so we know one video.
So you're gonna do this and then do 10 push-ups right away?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
Okay.
We're gonna see their body anyway.
No, it don't matter. You guys want to do whichever way.
I think everyone should
do
here.
Alright, first slam, guys. Oh, I might have to stand there.
Alright, Vangbox slamming.
Whatever you want, right? Just as long as you post it up on the page. Whatever you think will help you win. How about that? Because we're just doing the weighing today, so I'm assuming you guys want before and after pictures.
Ignore the background. Someone's falling. He's just falling back there.
That's one.
Alright, this is the second one. And remember, he still has to do 10 push-ups.
Add a picture and then Photoshop it and then like send
Well, we
it.
can tell most of the time that it's Photoshop.
Oh, here goes gas, man.
Woo, my stomach is filled for the first beer already.
Wait, why are you guys recording?
Zang has eggs.
This is going on YouTube.
He's adding.
Alright, second one, guys.
This is the second one from Vangbox.
Go. Go. Follow your money.
Don't worry, I don't know.
Oh, because they shoot it on fantasy football. So he had 10 slams.
His character has laid eggs.
Alright, he's got push-ups after this.
And he still won. So,
Alright.
push-ups now?
Yeah.
You're in the 10 push-ups? He's gonna do a 10 push-ups. Do it back here.
We want to see Vegas
Dude,
die.
just do it back there,
I'm
dude.
gonna do it back here.
Oh my god. You know this guy doesn't do push-ups. Alright, alright.
Hey, no push-up.
I've been done push up for so long.
10 push-ups.
Alright,
We're gonna die.
1, 2, 3, 4. Dude, this is weak sauce push-ups. I don't know if we can count these. They're kind of bad. Oh, go. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Was that 10?
Yeah.
I think some of them were like half push-ups.
Oh my god. Alright guys, I am done.
Alright, Vangbox. How do you feel right now, Vangbox?
Shitty, man.
Alright, guys.
Oh my
You
God.
can see his shop at vang2shop.com. Follow puppies.
Yeah.
Everybody here, bye-bye.
Thanks, guys.